That's painful.
Let's take that sad, boring laundry room and turn it into a place you actually want to hang out. Okay, so we decided to put a subway tile backsplash here, a wooden countertop to fold laundry on, a pipe shelf to hang laundry that doesn't get dried, and then adding our personal touch with plants and art. So we bought these subway tiles on Amazon. They were really easy to put up. You just need to measure your wall, cut, and then peel and stick. That's it.
Oh.
For the countertop, you need a way to support it, so we decided to just screw support directly into the wall. You won't be able to see these beams once the counter is on, since we're making a little lip on the front of the countertop. I'd recommend a coarser sandpaper like 60, and then finishing it off with a 220 grit.
It doesn't quite fit yet, but this is why we tried to fit it in. We're gonna sand the sides.
We decided to go with an antique walnut stain, and we did 2 coats. These are the pieces you'll need to build your pipe shelf. And then use these drywall anchor screws if you don't have studs in your wall. Now fit all the pipe pieces together and voila! You have a simple, cool looking shelf. Thanks for watching our laundry room makeover. Subscribe to our channel for more DIY videos coming your way very soon.